Hey guys, this is Emily at Johnson Motors in St. Croix Falls, bringing you a 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. This vehicle is a local one-owner trade-in, smoke-free, accident-free, and has 55,000 miles on it. This vehicle is all-wheel drive. It has remote start, a remote trunk release, as well as a power hands-free liftgate. Coming around to the inside, you can see this gorgeous leather interior, as well as this awesome panoramic sunroof. Coming around, you can see it has a heated steering wheel, as well as some safety features, such as cross traffic alert warning, blind spot monitor, rear park aid, backup camera, adaptive cruise, and automatic parking assist. It also has built-in navigation, as well as heated and cooled seats. It also has driver memory seat settings for up to 2 drivers. If you're interested, stop in or give us a call today.